Good morning, everyone. I would like to share to you my presentation about design of hug machine portable seat for autistic children in public transport application. Autism is a disorder that covers cognitive, emotional, behavioral, social areas, including the inability to interact with people around him. Autism behavior is classified into two types, namely excessive behavior like headbanging, screaming, kicking, and others, and deficit behavior in the form of reduced eye contact, not responding, and unable to socialize with others. Based on estimated data from the Ministry of Women's Empowerment and Child Protection of the Republic Indonesia 2018, there were around 2.4 million people with autism in Indonesia, with an increase in new people reach 500 people per year. So the estimated number of autistic children in Indonesia in 2020 is around 2.5 million people. Autism therapy methods currently being developed include the deep pressure method. The deep pressure method is the application of certain pressure and in a certain time in depth on most of the outside of the body evenly. Deep pressure helps overcome the problem of oversensitivity to touch and can eliminate nervousness as in children with autism. The beginning of the creation of deep pressure application therapeutic aids in the form of hug machine has been done long ago, like Krause's hug machine apparatus and Grandin's squeeze machine. The development of hug machines in Indonesia is still very limited. One introduced the hug machine design based on the Grandin squeeze machine. The autistic child gets deep pressure from 3 pairs of pressure arms controlled by a pneumatic system. This hug machine has not portable neither compact design. Naufal designed an autism mobile seat. The pressure used an inflating wrap that implanted inside the tool can put pressure according to the user's wishes, using binding arms that can be wrapped around the body from the shoulder to the feet. This seat is designed to be used on transportation, but is not portable, so it cannot be applied to public transportation. Suryo developed inflating wrap type hug machine is designed to produce deep pressure by inflating the balloon inside the hug machine with a design pattern of fabric that can cover the shoulders up to the feet will give an even pressure. This hug machine is like a sleeping bag, so it cannot be used in public transportation. Referring to the rapid growth rate of autistic children in Indonesia, the needs of children with autism for therapeutic treatment to prevent self-injury, and there are only a few researches on tools for autistic children in Indonesia, especially hug machines, then the availability of supporting facilities for children with autism is needed, and the development of more practical hug machines is needed. The purpose of this paper is to design aids for autistic children in the form of portable seat, which can be applied to public transportation to provide safety and comfort facility to children with autism. In the designing this product, carried out several stages of the design process. The design process starts with identifying user needs by setting the problem constraints in the hug machine design process. Limitation of the problem, among others, portable and lightweight, fit to the bus seat dimension. It can reserve for 6 to 14 years old children and have competitive prices. The second stage is design definition, specification, and requirements. This stage is carried out by survey of needs and technical specification of the product, ranging from market segmentation, anthropometric data literacy as a hugging dimension reference, morphological survey of public transportation chairs as a reference for the dimension of the hug machine, and to determining the material and color of the product. The next stage is design conceptualization. The conceptualization design starts with determining the design criteria before designing the design choices using computer computer-aided design software. There are two kinds of design criteria, namely the mass and the want criteria that can be seen in the screen. The mass criteria such as strong, safe to use, lightweight, practical, and comfortable. And the want criteria like affordable prices, easy maintenance, durable, easy to install and use. And the next stage is design evaluation. The final stage is design evaluation using a decision matrix that is adjusted to the problem constraint and desired design criteria. The results of this design study are based on anthropometric data of children in Indonesia. Anthropometric data used are arm height and chest width are being referenced in the manufacture of this hug machine. So it was determined that the dimension of the hug are 76 centimeter long and 20 centimeter wide. The next specification is the chair dimension. Based on a survey measurements of seat dimension on 3 different bus types, the average seat dimension used as a reference for this hug machine dimension to be designed can be seen in the table. Coloring affects the visual appearance of autism hug machine portable seat on the response of autistic children. Children with autism usually become very sensitive or even unresponsive to sensory stimuli. Beige and brown color are complementary color schemes selected because they represent individual therapy spaces that are calming and stimulating. Next, design conceptualization. Based on the mass and the want criteria and following the technical specification, four design concepts are proposed with the information explained in the morphological matrix. This slide shows 4 design concepts, and all design concepts have morphological differences, which can be seen in the table. The 4 design concepts are then made morphological variation. The 4 design concepts are then evaluated using a decision matrix to choose the most appropriate design. Based on the decision matrix table, the total point of each concept design can be seen in the total row. Then the chosen concept design is K4 with the biggest total point. This concept 4 is very concise and easy to carry everywhere. So this machine is very easy to use on public transportation. The design of this concept can be folded between backrest and sitting part so that it makes more portable. This hug machine functions as a safety and comfort provider seat for autistic children when they travel using public transportation, as can be seen through the hugging feature and the selected materials. It has horizontal and vertical belts behind it, so it will tie to the vehicle seat. The belts can be adjusted so that the hug machine is firmly attached and doesn't shake. To ensure this seat stays in its position and it makes sure the safety of using this hug machine. The design of this machine is very comfortable to wear because it uses soft foam as a base. Active contact with soft foam can increase the deep pressure effect and then increase the calming sensation and comfortable. Soft foam as a base is coated with semi-leather fabric so that it can give the impression of a human hug, and it has a cheaper price than leather fabric. The Concept 4 has a neckband that functions as a pillow to make a comfortable feel to the user. Autism hug machine portable seat manufacturing materials are easily found in the market and the design is easy to produce. This hug machine can be used as a therapeutic tool for autism using the principle of deep pressure stimulation that comes from the 2 hugging parts with inflating wraps model. located in the chest that can be adjusted up and down, and also located in the thigh, which also provides security and comfort from them. The inflating wraps are created from a balloon that implanted in a hugging part. These inflating wraps filled by air through the compressor to produce the pressure stimulation. This mechanism allows the user or therapist to determine the desired pressure. Conclusion: the Autism Hug Machine portable seat uses soft foam and semi-leather materials and has two horizontal inflating wraps located in the chest and thigh to provide comfort, safety, and deep pressure stimulation. The study shows that concept design for was the best for three reasons, such as attractive, concise, and portable design for public transport application. This hug machine has triple function, which are safety and comfort and the pressure-based method. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.